Top gym equipment for beginners. For targeting your outer and inner thighs as well as glutes, let's use the hip abductor machine. The hip abductor machine can work in both directions, targeting the outer thighs by pushing outward and the inner thighs by squeezing inward. Sit on the hip abductor machine and adjust the pads so they're resting against the outside of your knees. Select a comfortable weight and push your legs outward, keeping your back flat against the seat if you can reach it. Slowly return to the starting position. This exercise helps to strengthen your outer thigh muscles and improve hip stability. Cable machines can be used for a multitude of exercises, including chest flies, tricep pushdowns, bicep curls, lat pull-downs, and more. The adjustable pulleys enable you to perform movements at different angles and planes, enhancing the effectiveness of your workouts. The abdominal crunch machine allows you to sit down and bend forward to effectively train your abdominal muscles by simulating the crunch motion in a controlled manner. The hanging leg raise is a powerful exercise for targeting your abdominal muscles, particularly the lower abs. To perform it, you'll need a dip bar or pull-up bar. The pec deck machine, also known as the chest fly machine, is designed to isolate and target the pectoral muscles in your chest. It's a great tool for building chest strength and improving muscle definition. The reverse squat machine strengthens hamstrings and glutes by curling the leg upward.